Hello, hello, hello. Kurt here with Teach Mom How. Thank you for tuning in for another how-to video. This is another video about all the cool stuff that the new macOS Sonoma has. And I've been waiting a long time for this one. I actually have shown you other videos in the past of workarounds for this, but you can now use any website like an app on your Mac. What I mean by that is you can have any website show up here in the dock, and you can just click on it and it will make your app show up. So check this out. It's so easy to do. So easy to do. Just go to Safari. All right. From Safari, click File, Add to Dock. Call it whatever you want to call it. YouTube Studio, add, and boom. I don't know why they got a Google logo instead of a YouTube logo showing up, but I click on that. In fact, it opens it up like it's its own little app. Look, it doesn't even say Safari. It just goes to YouTube Creator Studio. How cool is that? You can do that with every website that you use a lot. I'm going to do that real quick one more time just for you to see. I'm going to do that with this solar website that I use all the time for work. So check this out. All right, here's the website. I use this nonstop. Let's log in real quick because I want it to be, forget it, I'm not going to bother logging in. I don't want to bore you with that, but I use this website nonstop. So watch this. File, add to dock. And we're going to call this Sonova Portal. I don't want all this other stuff. Just get rid of that. I don't need all that. I just need the login page. Sorry. You don't have to do all this. All right, that's the page I want to open when I click on Sonova Portal. Add it. Come down here, click on Sonova Portal. Again, doesn't use the right logo for some reason, but look at the top. Instead of Safari, even though it's opening Safari, it opens up my Sonova Portal. Boom. There you go. That's how you use it. Pretty cool. You can now turn any website into an app by adding it to your dock. If you found that helpful, stick around and watch another how-to video.